Is your home on a raised foundation? Today we'll be talking about how to inspect your crawl space. How's it going? Justin here, back with another foundation repair tip of the day. Today we'll be discussing how to inspect your crawl space, which we recommend doing at least every couple of years. The first thing you'll want to do is gather all of the necessary tools and equipment. As long as you aren't crazy, you'll probably want to put on some coveralls, grab a flashlight or two, maybe a headlamp.
And we'd recommend some kind of respirator like this one.
Now, you may not need a respirator exactly like that, but some kind of mask is definitely recommended. During inspections, I actually used to bring some kind of stick or PVC to just defend myself from all the spider webs and, the occasional spider. Then you'll want to find your crawl space access door. Out here in Southern California, we often find these along the perimeter or the outside of the home, or sometimes even at the bottom of one of the interior closets inside the home. Once inside, there are a couple of common issues that you may want to look for. Is the mud sill bolted to the foundation along the entire perimeter? If you have cripple walls, are they braced with plywood? Are all of your posts and pads strapped to each other and to their girder beams? You also want to check for any cracks or rotting or anything like that in these posts, girder beams, and your subflooring. Now, the things we covered today in what to look for were really simplified to some of the easier, more common things that our professional inspectors are looking for. If you want to have a professional opinion or just don't want to deal with the dirt or spiders, feel free to give us a call and schedule a free foundation inspection today.